So guys, if you are also facing the too many friends could not add error on Snapchat when you are trying to send or accept any friend request, then in today's video I will guide you through simple steps on how you can fix the could not add error on Snapchat. First, let's understand why this issue occurs when you accept or send a large number of friend requests in a short period of time. You might encounter this issue. This is because there's a limit to the number of friend requests you can accept or send within a short time frame. The second major reason for the could not add issue on Snapchat is that if your Snapchat friend list has reached the limit of approximately 6,000 friends, you might also face this problem. This is because Snapchat allows you to have a total of approximately 6,000 friends. So let's find out how you can solve this problem. First of all, friends, you need to check if your Snapchat friend list has reached the limit of approximately 6,000 friends. So for this, you need to open your Snapchat application, tap on your profile, and then simply scroll down your page and you will find a option of My Friends. Simply tap on My Friends option here, friends. You can check all your Snapchat friends. So here you can check is your Snapchat friend list has a total number of approximately 6,000 friends. And friends, if you have approximately 6,000 friends on Snapchat, then you will need to unfriend some of your friends so that you can add new friends again. And before sending new friend request, make sure to wait at least 10 to 20 minutes. And guys, if your Snapchat application is not updated, make sure to update it from Play Store or App Store. And friends, by using these two methods, you can easily fix the Snapchat could not add error or issue on Snapchat. And guys, if you have any questions or doubt, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe to our channel to get more interesting and informative videos like this.